Hello friend, good morning. Today we are going to learn very interesting poem. The name of the poem is Basket Full of Moonlight. The poem is written by Sunil Sharma. Particularly the poem is in Dogri and now it is translated in English. Two lines about the poet. The poet is bilingual who has written over 18 books for children. He has published three collections of poetry. One collection is short fiction. Apart from being a poet, he is critic and essayist. Central idea of the poem deals with the problem of lower middle class people in the villages. It reveals the aspiration of a young mind. Now we are going to learn the poem. First stanza of the poem. O moon, give me moonlight, basketful or two baskets full with sheets of moonlight. The poet refers the moonlight as a god and asks the moonlight that, O moonlight, O moon, give him a basketful or even a two baskets full the seeds of the moonlight. And the reason is in the next stanza. From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to show many small moons of light. In the fourth line, the poet says that the poet wants to show many small moons of light on the two sides of the path, that is, of the road. From city to the village means here the road goes from village to the city, and he want to show the moonlight the both side of the road, both side of the path. Why did the boy want to show many small moons of light on the both side of the path? The reason is in the third stanza. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back. As my village is quite far, the route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. The meaning of the four lines here, the poet, means the small boy, says that all the peoples of his village goes to the city daily to work, and when they came back in that time there have the night, there have the dark, there the evening, and the distance of his village and the city is some kilometers, that is quite far, and everywhere the routes that goes from the village to the city is full of the snakes and scorpions. Means the road goes to the city, that road is full of dangerous. Full of dangerous means on the road the snakes and scorpions and other animals also, and so that the road is very dangerous. Neither bus nor cart plies. When my father returns home, I am asleep. Here the poet says that neither bus nor cart plies. Cart means bullock cart. Plies, and plies means travels regularly over a route. Means no any bus and no any cart travels on the road, travels on the path, travels on the route. And when his father came home, returns home, in that time he is asleep. And he goes back early in the morning while I am asleep. Means here the poet says that when he came to the home, in that time he sleep, and when he goes back early in the morning to the city, in that time also he sleep. Means he never see his father. Why does the poet want his father home early? The answer of this question is in the next stanza. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight and alone. I want to light the dark road so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. Meaning of the line: the poet means the boy request to the moon. Moon, give him a basket full of moonlight on loan. म्हणजेच या ठिकाणी कवी काय म्हणतो आहे? तो कवी विनंती करतो आहे, चंद्राला म्हणतो आहे काय, मला बास्केट फुल ऑफ मूनलाईट, गिव मी बास्केट फुल ऑफ मूनलाईट ऑन लोन, म्हणजे लोनवर मला बास्केट फुल ऑफ मूनलाईट द्या, अशा प्रकारे म्हणतोय. I want to light the dark road so that my father returns early. The poet here says that. Means the poet want to light the dark road. The road, how the road? The road is dark. There have no any kind of the light. The dark road he want to light. He want to lightening the dark road. And so that due to the light of the moon, due to the lightening of the moon, his poet returns early in the home. I want to hear fairy tales and the stories from his father. Means the poet here says that he want to hear the fairy tales. Fairy tales means dantakatha, just like Aladdin, म्हणजे ज्यामध्ये कथा असतात. Means he want to hear the fairy tales from his father, the stories also from his father. But his father goes to the city and came to the home late, and so that his father unable to tell him the fairy tales. So he requests to the moon, O moon, give him basket full of moonlight. And due to the basket full of moonlight, he lightened the road. But how he want the moonlight? On the loan, because the loan repayment. Oh moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. In the last stanza, the boy, means the poet, says that he requests to the moon, moon, give him a basket full of moonlight. He want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. Means the boy want to sow the seeds of the moon, the both sides of the path. And due to the seeds of the moon, due to the seeds of the moon, the two sides of the road lighten, and so that his father as well as all the villagers of that village came to home early, and they spend their times with their children. It is the hope of the poet. Appreciations and the figure of speech we will learn in the next video.